If your skin could speak, it wouldn't ask for another quick fix. It would ask for a reset. Hi, I'm Megan, and today I want to introduce you to one of the most transformative treatments we offer here at MaxxCole Salon and Skin Spa in Robinson Township. The DMK Level 1 Enzyme Treatment. This isn't your typical facial. The DMK enzyme treatment works with your skin, not against it. Instead of stripping, burning, or over-exfoliating, it uses powerful botanical-based enzymes to stimulate your skin's natural functions. We call it revision because we're actually working to restore your skin back to its optimal health. So what does that actually look like? Your treatment begins with a deep, customized cleanse to prepare your skin. From there, we apply the signature DMK enzyme mask. As it sets, you'll feel it tighten and pulsate. That's increased circulation and oxygenation happening in real time. This process encourages lymphatic drainage, supports collagen production, and stimulates your skin to function the way it was designed to. After the mask is removed, we finish with targeted serums and nourishing products selected specifically for your skin's needs, leaving you refreshed, revitalized, and glowing. The result? Brighter tone, improved texture, stronger, healthier skin from the inside out. This Level 1 treatment is perfect if you're new to DMK, struggling with acne, pigmentation, aging concerns, or if your skin just feels tired and unbalanced. It's a foundational step toward long-term skin health, not just temporary glow.
At MaxxCole, we believe great skin isn't about trends. It's about science, consistency, and treatments that truly work. As a lifelong sufferer of PCOS, I struggled with oily skin, cystic acne, hyperpigmentation, and unwanted hair growth. I tried everything, spent thousands of dollars, and lost my confidence along the way. After just 4 weeks with DMK, the oil subsided, the acne vanished, and I began the skin journey that led me to clear, calm, smooth skin I have today at age 50, and I want you to experience that too. If you're ready to stop covering your skin and start correcting it, visit our website, book your DMK Level 1 enzyme treatment, and let's give your skin the reset it deserves.